Have you ever heard of a place where people disappear by the thousands? A place so vast, so unforgiving, and so mysterious that it's been compared to the Bermuda Triangle. Welcome to the Alaska Triangle, stretching across a massive portion of America's last frontier. This triangle connects three remote points: Anchorage in the south, Juneau to the east, and Barrow to the north. Together, they enclose over 300,000 square miles of wilderness. Snow-capped mountains, endless tundra, icy rivers, and forests so thick they swallow sound itself. But the beauty of this land hides something chilling. Since the 1970s, more than 20,000 people have vanished inside this triangle. Entire villages abandoned, experienced hunters and hikers swallowed without a trace, planes vanishing from the radar, never to be seen again. What makes this stretch of land so deadly? Or is it something far stranger? The most infamous disappearance happened in October 1972. A twin-engine plane carrying none other than U.S. Congressman Hale Boggs and Alaska's own Nick Begich disappeared while flying from Anchorage to Juneau. Search teams scoured 32,000 square miles, deploying the largest rescue operation in Alaskan history. Yet no wreckage, no bodies, nothing. To this day, the fate of that plane remains a mystery. Some whisper that the government knows more than they admit. Others insist that the Alaska Triangle itself claimed them. But this was not the first disappearance, and far from the last. Travel back further, to the 1952nd. The small fishing village of Portlock, Alaska, was suddenly abandoned. Houses left behind, food still on tables, fishing boats drifting empty in the water. Locals fled, claiming a terrifying creature known in native legend as Nantinaq, a half-man, half-beast, was hunting them. Witnesses described a towering, hairy figure lurking in the trees. Hunters vanished, tools and camps destroyed. Fear consumed the community, and one day, everyone left. Portlock stands empty to this day, a ghost village reclaimed by nature, and it didn't stop there. In recent decades, hikers, bush pilots, and even seasoned Alaskans have vanished within the triangle. Some leave behind scattered belongings, a backpack, a rifle, sometimes even a still-running snowmobile. Search parties often find nothing else, no tracks, no signs of struggle, no blood. It's as if the people simply dissolved into the air. So, what's happening in the Alaska Triangle? Some scientists point to Alaska's extreme weather, sudden snowstorms, avalanches, and rivers of shifting ice that can swallow a person or a plane forever. Others highlight the geological oddities beneath Alaska. Massive deposits of iron create magnetic anomalies, confusing compasses, and even modern GPS systems. Pilots report instruments spinning wildly, navigation systems failing, as if an unseen hand were twisting their controls. Could these strange forces explain why so many aircraft never reach their destination? But many refuse to believe it's just weather and magnetism. Reports of strange lights in the sky, glowing orbs, pulsating disks, even triangular crafts have surfaced for decades. Eyewitnesses claim to see UFOs darting silently over the mountains or hovering above frozen lakes. Some believe the Alaska Triangle is not just dangerous, it's a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity, a place where abductions occur, hidden from the rest of the world. Others speak of something more ancient, portals, vortexes of energy scattered across the Earth. Could the Alaska Triangle be a gateway to another dimension? Legends among the native Tlingit people tell of evil spirits that lure travelers into the wilderness, never to return. Stories of shadow people, whispering voices, and the sound of footsteps in the snow, though no one is there. And then, there's the question of secrecy. Could it be that military testing, hidden bases, or classified projects play a role? Alaska's remote landscape makes it the perfect cover for experiments never meant for public eyes. Was Congressman Boggs's plane disappearance truly an accident, or something more sinister? As we piece these stories together, a haunting picture emerges. A land of icy beauty, where the earth itself seems alive, sometimes hostile, sometimes hungry. A place where man, machine, and myth collide. Imagine this. You're a pilot, flying a small aircraft across the vast expanse of white. Beneath you, only endless mountains and frozen rivers. Suddenly, your instruments go haywire. The compass spins, the radio crackles into silence. Outside, a strange light pulses in the distance. You blink, and for a split second, the stars seem to shift. The ground looms closer, and then nothing. Radar loses you. Your name becomes another in a long list of those who vanished inside the Alaska Triangle. Is it science? Is it folklore? Or is it something in between? The Alaska Triangle remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. 20,000 souls, gone. Some may have fallen to the unforgiving wilderness. Others may have slipped through the cracks of reality itself. One thing is certain. When you enter the Alaska Triangle, you step into the unknown. So what do you believe? Is it nature or something far beyond our understanding? This is the mystery of the Alaska Triangle, and it is for you to decide. Fact or folklore?